You might have noticed that my toolbar is a little longer than yours, and in this video we're going to talk about another one of these additional tools that I have. And this time it's the AG Color Select tool, which is part of the Astute Graphics plugin suite. So let's first talk about the default eyedropper tool. I've got an object here which has a thick stroke and a fill, and if I want to pick up one of these colors here for either the stroke or the fill, what I need to do is focus the fill or stroke, whatever I want to color, and then take the eyedropper tool, hold down Shift, and then pick it up. And if I now want to color the stroke, I need to focus it, again hold down Shift and pick it up. This takes into account that by default the eyedropper tool is set up to pick up appearances. So it picks up all the effects and whatever is applied. And in order to have it pick up just the color, you just use the Shift key. Let's change something here. With this, I'm going back to the default by pressing the D key. And now I'm going to take these two here and reduce their opacity. Immediately, we have a color that exists because of these overlaps, and we have that reduced opacity. So now when I'm doing that again, holding down Shift and picking up, then you see Illustrator doesn't honor that reduced opacity. So it doesn't pick up the lighter color, but I want that. And this is now fixed by this tool. So if I use this one and just click here, then you see what gets picked up is the lighter color. And that doesn't happen with opacity. So you see it's all default, but it just gets applied. And it can also apply this color here or this one. If you want to keep this as transparency, then as you can see in the Astute body, which is a helper panel, you have to hold down Shift. So let's do it. And you see this time we get the original color with reduced opacity that then gives us this. With this here, we also get the reduced opacity, and then this gets even lighter. So that's what this tool can do for you. And if you ever wanted to pick up something that just exists because of overlay transparency, then this is your tool.